Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all doing well. I'm here today to do a long-awaited unboxing, and it's an Hermes handbag unboxing. I've already kind of alluded to this probably like 5 videos ago that I do have a bag that I purchased, and it's just sitting here. I've actually purchased this in December of last year, so it's been half a year. And the time that I bought it, I was pregnant, and I was kind of looking for something that I would open afterwards, kind of like look forward to. Like, I assumed I was going to be very busy and cannot leave the house very much to go shopping, and I was right. But little did I know, I underestimated how much longer it would take for me to actually be able to do this. So I think I had more complications than a lot of people, and it was tough getting through the first 3 months. And I know a lot of you had also mentioned to me in the comments when I revealed that I was pregnant. So thank you so much for the heads up. And yeah, I had no idea what was coming, but I am going through it. I'm still going through it. We're doing much better now. Anyway, I'm going on a tangent. The reason for why the video is now just going live is because I was so busy postpartum. So better late than never. This is still here. I hope it is what it is, because it's been so long. Because it's been so long since I have seen it in the store. So I did go into the store. I will find the photos that when I tried it on stores and input it later once I've unboxed it. But let's get into it. You can actually see the ribbon says 2025 on it. All right. I don't know if you guys can guess what this is. All right. It is on the smaller side, as you can see. Dust bag. Still has some of the plastic wrap on it. And is there anything else? Just a little booklet to reveal. Ooh. This is the Herbag Mini, or the 20, is it 20 cms? But I got it in this beautiful ardoise, I think ardoise. I'll put it right here. It's basically a dark gray color. So I had originally thought I wanted the black and with the brown leather, and there's a lot of different colors. And when I saw this one, I was like, oh, I actually really like this one. So I'm glad that my essay had it in store. She actually had another one for me to try as well. So a quick once over here, you'll see that there is a back zipper pocket. Pretty spacious. I don't think I was able to put my phone with the case in here. So just FYI, it does say Hermes Paris, made in France. Very hard to see right here, but it's embossed. And then the front looks like this. So this has a opening where you pull these little sangles out. And yeah, and then you open it like this. And then the inside is just one compartment. There's not even any pockets. So this is her bag, and it's very interesting because a lot of people actually went crazy for this when it first came out. But then I think there was a lot of like cons about this bag, and it's about, you know, the strap doesn't really adjust, and how like this is very hard to get in and out of. So like you can see here, you can't really close this. In order to close it, you have to like align everything like this. And then once this lock thing is here, which, so you see how it's actually quite difficult, then you have to thread this through like this. And I guess you could keep this one open. Now it won't, or this like unthreaded, but it won't open like this. But it's still, you know, kind of difficult to get in and out of, which is why it's nice to have this back pocket. It's very small. Actually, I can show you right now that my phone, which is, I have the Pixel 10, it doesn't really fit in here. See, it's like I have to like really push and twist, and I think I can like kind of get it in, but without the case I may be able to. You can easily put like a, you know, Dior lotion thing in here. So that can fit in here and also zip. But that's kind of like what you're looking at, you know. Now, why I decided to give this a try, even though I heard of all those things, is because when I tried it on, this was actually quite a good length on me. I'm 5'1", so the length of this was actually quite nice on as a shoulder bag and as a crossbody bag. But I have also since found things that you can use with it that will make it a little bit easier to use the bag. So let me show you the different things. All right, so one of the things that I got was this chain looking thing. Let's open this back up. You can unthread this a little bit so that it comes out right here, and then slide this part so that thread this back through. All right, so now this piece here is locked. Like it's not going anywhere. You still need to push this ring through, as you can see. And then you take this piece of leather and then you slip it in here. It's right here. So now the bag doesn't open. It's essentially acting like these things. You don't need to unthread it each time. So that's one way to easily use this bag. And it also creates a little bit of a accessory. So when you want to open it, the front flap is already open like so, and then you can get into the bag and you don't have to fuss with these side ones. All right, so the other thing that made it easier to use is, as you can see, this is quite squishy. So if I had like something that is an organizer or something that is a little bit more, let's see, structural, I do have an organizer and a base. So this is from Zumoni. Let's see. Zumoni kindly sent this to me, so let's give it a try. So they always had felt material. This one's a silky material. As you can see, it is much more luxurious. This is just the base shaper, so let me just see how this works. All right, so I picked the gold color, so you can kind of see how that looks down there. And it creates a good base down here. I actually was looking for more structure through. Oh, look. They also sent me these extra little pouch things, which are great for like holding your lippies or your cards. Those are the felt ones. This is the silky material one. So you can see that this one has one pocket on this side and one pocket on this side. And yeah, it looks really nice. Let's try it. So I'm gonna take the base shaper back out, pop this one in here. This is also a great way to not get it dirty. I don't have a light colored one, although if you got the light canvas color, you may actually really want to get organizer, because yeah, the dark gray, you could probably get away with getting it dirty. Wow, it's a perfect fit. Can you see? So now the base is not shaped. I could like push up on it and it's kind of squishy, but it's also organized. So like the same hand cream that I was just showing you, I can put it in one of these slip pockets. I put in this one. So then it's more organized and it's not just falling all over the place. But the silkiness of it makes it really nice because things just like kind of glide right in. There's no resistance. Actually, I'll link it down below, and I'll also include my 20% off promo code, which is angeleyn, a discount on your entire order, and it's including this one, obviously, this organizer. So the last thing that I had wanted to try out for this bag was the handles. Let me just show you what I mean. So I haven't done this before, but I figured because you're able to remove this top part to separate the leather from the canvas body, you must be able to also switch out the leather strap. So let's give it a try together. I'm going to remove the Zumoni organizer for now, and we can put it back in later. But this is how it's done. So there is in the back here, you see this like metal round circle thing. There is a piece of metal. It's going to be hard to see, but it's like right there. And so if I pull this piece is just floating, so you don't want to lose it. But it actually reminds me a lot of this guy. See this guy right here? So it's just like a piece of leather. And then now you can detach that from the bag. See? And so once you have that detached, this is just the body. So this is just the strap and the body, as you can see. And then what you can do here, you start twisting it like so, while holding the other side, and eventually it will pop out. So you can see this has come out. And once this has come out, there is a little snap thing. Do not lose any of these pieces. But yeah, now this can thread through, take off the side. So this side has this piece of leather right here that is also in the gray color. And this is part of the leather strap. So as you can see, oh, now I can remove that, and all you're left with this piece right there, and you can slide that this way. So as you can see, take this out as well. Now this is sitting on its own. This is where you can, I've seen a lot of people do this, where you can flip it inside out. I'm trying to be gentle with it, but I think you're gonna need to use some force. I think it'll probably be easier too once you've used it and then the canvas is a little bit softer. Mine's obviously brand new, so it's very stiff. So now I flipped it inside out, and you can see that there is no pocket anymore, and the pocket's actually inside here, because it's now been flipped. You can now thread everything back in, and then you can wear it this way. So that is how you can change it so that the pocket is not hanging on the outside. I personally like the pocket on the outside because I think it is more accessible. The pocket itself is going to be used more for me. So I'm going to flip this right back. Isn't this fun? I don't think there's another bag from Hermes that is this customizable. And I believe you can do this too for other her bags, not just the mini. In fact, I think the other her bag's probably easier because the smaller it is, the space makes it a lot harder. Okay, so now we're back to this where the pocket's on the outside right here. And what I want to try now is a shoulder strap. So I bought this one online, and you can see that the color is like basically the same, which is really neat. What I want to do is add this in here. I'm going to see if this is possible because never tried it. So here we go. So I'm going to work backwards. There is this piece. So we have this guy in here as well. This is the top handle. This circular, okay, and then it goes through here. Okay, here we go. So kind of see it now. I may have to take out that leather piece because I think we may, yeah, I think so. I think it's going to be too thick. So because I actually don't know why the leather piece is there, but because I have now two pieces of leather, it's almost taking the place of the leather circle. So I'm going to now do this again without the leather piece. So it looks like this. Top handle one through here. On one, little strap also going through here. And then this one, attach it back into here. All right, yep, and then while holding the other side tight. All right, so now I can't twist anymore and I think it's done. So here is the top handle. Here is the long strap. It's looking how I want it. Top right, I'm now going to thread this back into slots. Take the leather piece right here and slide it to lock it in place. If I wanted to use the chain bit, then I would attach that one first to the sangles and then finish threading it through. Like this, bring this part through. You know, I can, if I'm not using this, you know, the leather straps right here, I can actually just fold it inwards so that it's sitting in here, right here, and then use this piece to push it through like that. And so then the bag is looking like this. Or I can still put the top through and then do this so that the top is, the flap is closed, and it's just like this, and then you can just pull this out and then it'll undo the flap. So there's the back pocket, because I did not keep it inside, but now we have successfully put on the top handle like so. And then the shoulder strap is still here. So let me see. So now we have a shoulder strap as well as a top handle, which allows me to easily use it. I'll put in some mod shots because it's kind of hard to see here. But yeah, if you wanted to get into the bag, you just pull out this tab right here. Like I said, if you want it to be more organized, or, you know, create a different structural look, you can also input a contrast organizer. This one's from Zumoni's, it's the silky one, so you can see it a lot easier. Yeah, there are many ways to use this bag, so it's very customizable, which is nice, and it's very lightweight. And this top handle is not something you can buy at Hermes. I'll link a few if I can find it down below. Not affiliate, I bought it myself actually because I wanted to see how it could be done. But you can also obviously wear it with just the top handle and not this at all either. I do see why some people do not like this bag, because it is very small, so you can't really fit too much in here. And on top of that, the closure is not exactly the easiest to get into and out of. But if you have like aftermarket adjustments, you can easily now use it however you want to use it. It's kind of like the Birkin, where it's like there is a flap and nobody uses the flap, they just keep it open. So it kind of has options for you. This is a small bag though, so my phone, so fits my phone fine, but it won't fit like my agenda, it won't fit like a water bottle, so you are limited in what you can put in here. And if you want it to fit something more, you probably will have to use a bigger her bag, not the mini. I love that this is a crossbody bag, because with my Birkin and Kelly, they're not really crossbody wear. I have a Constance, which I have used a lot crossbody, but that one you cannot fit as much in here. I think that one's more rigid, and it's also separated with the middle compartment. This one's one big compartment, so you can fit definitely more in here. And this is also like more, I would say, carefree, because it's canvas, so you don't have to worry about the leather getting damaged. So let me know what you think. Do you like Hermes's canvas? Do you like this particular style bag, the her bag? And do you have any of the her bag sizes? I personally think the her bag 31, which is the next size up, is a little too big for me, because I've tried it on already in stores, and I actually think this one suits my frame better. Now that I have a baby, I don't know if this is going to be the best fit for me, but the fact that it's crossbody does make it a lot easier to use as well. So, love to hear your thoughts in the comments below, and yeah, I'm excited to finally start using this. If you're interested in, you know, these straps, or like the extra chain closure and the Zumoni organizer, I will link that below, as well as my promo codes below. Yeah, so in case you're interested as well to jazz up yours. I believe these are also on sale secondhand, these her bag minis. So if I find any, I'll also list it below, because you can probably get them for a pretty good price. If you have any additional thoughts or questions, leave it in the comments below, and I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.